Okay, this is a neat little problem. During a sale, Betty bought a watch at 3/5 of its normal price. She then had $220 left. If she had bought the watch at its normal price, she would be $10 short. And we're asked what was the normal price of the watch. Now, I really do think that a word problem like this would probably trip a lot of people up, and they wouldn't quite know when they were adding and when they should take away. And this is, again, where a model is going to really make it very clear. So Betty bought a watch at 3/5 of its normal price. So I am going to draw a bar. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this represents the price of the watch. And during the sale, she bought it for 3/5 of its normal price. So that's 1, 2, 3. Okay, I ought to check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I've got fifths there. So this is 3. She bought it for 3/5 of its normal price. And what did she have? She had when she did that, there was 220 was left. Okay. Now it says that if she had bought the watch at its normal price, now what is its normal price? This is we have to be clear about that. This is the sale price. Okay. And this, and again, this is where labeling can help make things clear. This is the normal price. Normal or full price. Okay, you might see it referred to as that, normal or the full price. Okay. And it says that if she had bought the watch at its normal price, she would have been $10 short. That means she would not have had enough. Okay. She would have had $10 too little to buy that watch. Okay. Which means that now we know that she's been able to spend this amount of money, okay, and she's got 220 left. And it says that if she'd have had to buy the watch at full price, she would have been $10 short. That means, if you really think about it, that these two parts here must have a value of 220 plus 10. Because if she had had $10 more, then she would have been able to pay the full price. So these two parts here have a value of 220 plus 10. Okay, so 220 plus 10, of course, that equals 230. So this part, we know that this part, these 2/5 here, have a value of 230. And if we divide 230 by 2, okay, we get 115. And that is the value. I'm going to change my color just because I can. That's 115, and that's 115. And if these are 115, so are these. Okay. All right. And what are we asked for? We are asked for what is the normal price of the watch. That's all of these parts. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we need to do 115 times 5. And that is equal to, and we're dealing in dollars here, whatever units it is, 575. And that's our final answer. All right, so I think that looked a bit tricky at the beginning, and I think it would have tripped a lot of people up. But I think that once you draw the model and think about it a little bit, then you can see what it is that you need to do.